5-strand rebar line commissioning. One set of equipment requires 10 dies, replacing dies for Gfrp Rebars with different diameters. Removing the winding bobbins. Installing the winding bobbins. Winding wire threading path. Creel roving path. Roving threading guide. Allows threading to rovings through one hole. Grouped roving layout per rebar for streamlined maintenance. Pull 2/3 of the threaded rovings through the die to the puller. Trim excess rovings with scissors and align the ends to thread through the die. Thread through the second die hole. Thread through the center bore of the winding machine. Pull the rovings through the oven section. Pull the rovings through the cooling zone. Pull the rovings to the end of the puller and place them between the clamping blocks. Repeat for the remaining rovings, pulling them to the rear and placing them between the upper and lower clamps. Clamp the rovings by adjusting the vertical movement. Feed the remaining 1/3 rovings through the die by hitching them onto the moving fiber bundle. Bundle the rovings together using zip ties. Turn on the ovens one by one, close the lids, and set the temperatures. Oven control panel overview. Green digits, set temperature. Red digits, actual temperature. Use the up and down keys to adjust the set temperature. And close all oven lids. Adjust the winding speed via the console to achieve the desired winding pitch. Prepare the resin mix while waiting for the oven to reach the set temperature. Pour in component A according to the fixed ratio. Pour in component B based on the specified ratio. Keep an eye on the digital scale during the process. After adding components A and B, stir thoroughly to mix. Mix with a mixer for about 15 minutes to ensure a thoroughly uniform blend. Install the resin hold-down bar and tie it in place with zip ties. Observe the resin pick up and ensure the rovings are fully saturated. Observe the resin squeeze off and ensure there is no excessive resin buildup. Insert several dry yarns to balance the resin content based on production needs. Splice the dry roving ends into the moving fiber stream. Continue to monitor the resin stripping of the rovings. The Gfrp rebar exiting the curing oven. The rebar passing through the cooling tank. Continuous pulling of the Gfrp rebar. The cutter and unloader in operation.